Calling all word detectives, calling all word detectives. Are you ready for a review of our very first mission as word detectives? Let's start with a quick video. Mission number 1, word detectives are always on the lookout. They notice when there's a problem and stop to solve it right away. So you may remember this from one of our anchor charts. Word detectives notice a problem and stop to solve it. And that key is right away. So we're going to try that today when I am sharing my read aloud with you. If I get to a point where I get stuck, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to stop and solve it right away. I'm going to use some of the strategies that we've talked about throughout the year. Maybe I'm going to think about what's happening. I might check the picture. Think what kind of word would fit. Get a running start. Try it many ways. Read it part by part. Do a slow check. Crash the parts together. Check if it's a snap word and use a word I know. Here's a video of Rhea reading aloud, and I want you to listen to what she does when she gets stuck on a word. She's going to be a word detective, and she's going to notice there's a problem, and she's going to stop to solve it right away.